my sister would get really creeped out. I was supposed to be eating a deer. She was like, I never in my life thought I'd see you like this.
In our school, there was a ritual, like there was not a ritual, sorry. But there was a say.
myth.
Every Friday the 13th, no one used to sleep and used to just be awake only because used to think कि अभी दरवाजे पे headless चौकीदार will knock and we'll open the door and there'll be one चौकीदार with his head in his hand.
You also like got trolled. So how do you deal with that?
I did? I didn't know I got trolled.
Sona Mohaprata. Yeah.
उसने troll किया मुझे.
Rajkumar, we do hear a lot of rumors about your marriage. What do you have to say on that?
What? I'm going to talk to you. They're just rumors. I have no idea what happened.
Hi, this is Varun Sharma.
Hi, this is Janvi Kapoor.
Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao.
And you're watching us on
E-Times.
Hello everyone. Today I'm welcoming the spooked out team of Ruhi. Yeah. Rajkumar Rao, Janvi Kapoor and Varun Sharma. Welcome on E-Times. So tell me, how has been the experience so far for you guys while shooting for this movie?
Shooting was great. I think it was so much fun because we got such amazing script, so funny, so quirky, a little bit scary also. I think it's always fun to explore this genre, and when you have such amazing, co-actors and the whole team, it's like with the family.
No, the team was honestly so much fun. I think that we were all so excited about what we were working on, and we had a lot of fun, and we traveled a lot, and we ate good food, and we enjoyed.
And we made a banging film.
We made a fun film that you all will really enjoy.
Any experiences personally you guys had, while shooting for this movie? Any paranormal activity for you guys?
आपकी बारी, breadcrumb.
नहीं मुझे नहीं हुआ, and not in this film. But I think Janvi had some spooky experiences.
Yeah.
First, whenever she would come onto the sets as Afza, all the dogs from the neighborhood would start barking like crazy. Every time whenever she would, come as Afza. And another time, there was a scene where she was supposed to eat some, food from the ground, and she was eating some breadcrumbs. And one of the bread pieces she was eating, and another bread piece which was right over there, just levitated on its own and it fell almost by 6 inches.
And it was caught on camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did that really happen?
Nobody-
Or?
Yes, it's
I
caught
wouldn't
on
make it up.
camera. We wouldn't make it up.
knows who was eating that piece of the bread.
Yeah.
It literally, I thought बालों में फंस गया होगा, लेकिन बाल पीछे थे, हाथ पीछे थे.
There, yeah.
Yeah.
Really? Are you guys kidding on me?
No, seriously.
It's a good
Wow.
sign on a horror film if you start on that note, I think.
But personally, have you guys experienced such haunting experiences?
That would
No.
not me.
No,
No.
me
I
too.
mean, I saw a horror film where the girl gets possessed at 3 a.m. every night, and at 3 a.m. my house lights went
Same
off.
night, huh?
Same night, which was a strange coincidence, but I think that's a coincidence.
At least she chooses to believe
Believe
that it was
that,
a coincidence.
Rajkumar, this is your second movie where you are actually working in a ghost film. How your experiences has been like?
Ghost film actually third, Ragini MMS 1,
Yes.
and then horror comedy, of course, second. So you want to talk about horror comedies or?
Horror comedies
Horror
and
comedy.
horror movies in
Well,
particular.
horror is a very different genre than horror comedies. Horror is can be actually, of course, she has also done one. It can be pretty, mentally it can really stress you out.
Yeah.
It can mess up with your mind. That's a different genre altogether. But horror comedy is fun because you're getting scared also, but also it's funny the way you're getting scared and the way it's written. Everything is it's added with a lot of humor into it. It's not only about getting scared. It's not only about horror. Everything comes back to just make people laugh.
But also talking about the experiences, when you have been shooting for it, and as you said, it can be exhausting also somewhere, if I'm
Pure horror, yes.
Pure horror.
Yeah.
But somewhere while working on such projects, do you guys also feel that kind of stress and why when you're working on it, do you have such kind of differences with your directors, doing such a scene can be
Not at all. I think that's what horror comedies are very different from pure horror
yeah,
films.
but pure horror films.
Pure horror films, I've done only one.
Yes.
She's done one, Ghost Stories. No, in that film, no, I didn't have any sort of argument with my director. We were pretty clear the kind of film we wanted to make, and we wanted to keep it as real as possible because it was a voyeuristic film, Ragini MMS 1. So we had to be as real and had to feel it and not just, show that we're getting scared. We just actually had to live in that moment in that bungalow for that much time, and just everything just felt so real for those 30 days.
How was it like, doing that complete makeup and getting in that look of, playing that, the ghost lady in the movie?
It was very interesting actually. I think half of the battle of this character was to get the look right. And we did a lot of trials, a lot of like, पहले कुछ mask पहनाया, फिर पता नहीं कुछ veins चिपकाए, 3-4 अलग prosthetic लोगों के साथ हमने try किया. Finally we settled on this alcohol makeup with a few veins that my makeup artist would stick on my face, and it really helped. Once you look at yourself in the mirror like that, it's easier for you to tap into whatever you need to play the character, I think.
And also like, getting into that look, like when you when you were on the sets and when you were on that look, did any of your family members, saw you in that look, personally? And
yeah, my sister would get really creeped out. She was only there for a couple of days, but she was there while we were shooting a scene where I was supposed to be eating a deer. And so they put, I don't know if you guys remember, they put like they made a carcass of a deer और उसके पेट के जगह पे वो मांस के जगह उन्होंने watermelon को ऐसे छील के डाला था, so it looked sick, and they put like sugary blood syrup in my mouth, and like I had to put it, and she was traumatized. She was like, I never in my life thought I'd see you like this.
Did you get scared like while seeing her in that look? You fell in love. Yeah, of course, like you were like the Shah Rukh Khan you actually fell in love.
Is like, of
would you actually, fall in love with someone like, if you come across a ghost?
Katani would.
Katani would. But would you in real life?
I think till the time when we were shooting the film, I think मुझे हर लड़की में ही अफ़ज़ा दिखती थी.
For him, I think it's the heart that matters. Or Afza's heart is a good heart.
Yeah.
And Varun, like for that matter, you have come across such, spooky experiences ever? Never.
That you would know, yaar. I mean, I used to get scared. I started from a boarding school. In our school, there was a ritual, like not a ritual, sorry. But there was a myth or a saying that Friday the 13th, whenever the 13th tarikh, there's a headless chowkidar that would come in the school. So every Friday the 13th, no one used to sleep and used to just be awake only because used to think that darwaze pe headless chowkidar will knock and we'll open the door and be one chowkidar with his head in his hand. So I think that is the most strange myth that I've lived for a couple of years of my life when I was studying in that school. So every Friday the 13th till now, whenever that happens, that headless chowkidar ka thing, that whole story and the narrative kind of comes in my mind.
Even now. And for you, like such childhood memories, like even with your mom, have you like, seen such movies where, you have felt that, haunting experience?
No, but I remember, I have this vivid memory. हमने चंद्रमुखी अभी just देखी थी. And Chandramukhi is the Tamil or Telugu version of Bhool Bhulaiya. And we were so impressed and taken by Jyotika's performance that I remember, and I would get really scared. So every time I wouldn't listen to her for those couple of days, she'd like make her eyes big and like she'd tell me like, soup pine ka time hai. So she'd keep scaring me at home like that, and I'd get really scared.
Janvi, your recent song was quite famous actually, the one from this movie.
Was Pasta?
No, it's not. It's already very famous, but you also like got trolled. So how do you deal with that?
I did? I didn't know I got trolled.
Sona Mohapatratra, yeah, she tweeted Mohapatratra.
Usne troll kiya mujhe.
Yes, so what do you have to say on this? But like, how do you deal with, with getting trolls and all? Of course, the song is a hit and I really loved it, to be very honest. How do you deal with trolls?
I don't think she's trying to troll me. I think she had an opinion and I respect her opinion, and that's what she thinks, and she's free to say what she feels. I don't think that she was trying to make anyone feel bad. She just said what she felt.
How difficult was it to, prepare for this, role, and especially for this song also, for that matter?
For this role, it was quite fun actually to prepare because it was like prepping for two different aspects of a character. I saw a lot of horror movies. And I saw a lot of movies in general, and I spent a lot of time with the writer of this film, Gautam. And we did, I think, two cast readings. And yeah, but I think being in that environment, having discussions with Hardik, Mrig sir, Tinu sir, it just gave me a lot of clarity. And like I said, that look, getting into that hair and makeup helped a lot. For this song, I actually didn't get much time. I got, I think, a week's notice and like 3-4 days to prepare. So that was the prep. I was shooting, so simultaneously I was rehearsing, then I flew down and shot the song and went back.
Rajkumar, we do hear a lot of rumors about your marriage. What do you have to say on that?
What?
We do hear a lot
आप
of rumors.
straight face के साथ मतलब बहुत intense सवाल पूछते हैं.
Have to ask
Really?
as a
I
journalist.
have no idea.
Yeah, but a lot of rumors keep on coming, you know.
what do you
about
want to
Pratharit.
say?
I just want to say, like, you know, what do you have to say on that? What is your reaction on it?
That's why they're called rumors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're rumors.
You don't want to react on it.
But they're
How-
rumors.
Yeah. How
I'm
you?
going to talk to you. They're just rumors. I have no idea what it is.
Okay, sure. No worries.
It will happen when it has to happen. There's nothing, there's no plan as of now.
I also
You're a
like,
strict
you know.
teacher now.
Strict
so
teacher.
Now you tell me that there are rumors only.
You have worked with Shraddha Kapoor and you have worked with Janhvi Kapoor, you know, both,
Yeah.
you know, in, you know, comedy, horror, you know, movie. How your experience has been and, you know, what is common between them? If you see any common, you know, things between both of them.
They're both fab and they've both done a great job. And like Janhvi, you'll see now in Ruhi, she's phenomenal in the film. And Shraddha also, like in Stree, I think that was a game changer for her in many ways. People saw her in a different avatar, maybe for the first time in Stree. I think and they're both very passionate about what they do, which is a great sign for an artist.
The White Tiger has been praised a lot internationally also, like, you know, it's been praised a lot. What do you have to say on that? How does it feel?
It's overwhelming, the kind of love we got. I think we knew that we made a special film, and the way it's traveled all over the world, 30 plus million people have watched it, and just to get messages from Korea to Europe to, you know, UK, US, it was, of course, it made us really, really happy.
And lastly, for all of you, upcoming projects.
Just finished Badhai Do, so that is there.
And for you?
Yeah, I'm in the process of finishing Good Luck Cherry, and then I'll go back. I'll resume Dostana.
What about you?
I'm in the middle of shooting Circus. So once we wrap that, we get into Fukre 3.
Okay, and how happy are you? with
Very,
that?
very,
Because Fukre
very
3 is
happy.
something which we all are waiting for.
Very excited, yeah. I mean, very excited with the grace of God. I think 2021 is going to be a beautiful year, and really looking forward to it.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
time
you.
and all the best for Ruhi.
Thank
lot.
you. March 11th.